2 slips as well. Whipped away, leg side. Over that rope, that's gone for 6. And it's also a no ball, so we're going to see some extra exercise here from Simon Tauffel.
This could go anywhere, this one. Oh,
yeah.
That's a biggie. Oh, it's a biggie.
What a shot that is. That is extraordinary. And I think it's been taken as well in the crowd. Worried about his second over, I would imagine. Short ball, there's a man there. And it's gone over the advertising triangle for 6 runs. Brilliant. Just superb stuff from Sachin Tendulkar. Down the track. Launched that one, and that's gone for 6 more runs. He'll be exhausted, Steve Davis, soon.
Smacked away through mid-wicket for 4.
He's going to do everything in this game that he didn't do in the first 2.
Smacks it back. Callis can't catch it, which has kept him out of this match. 3 overs, 2 for 12 the other night. It's gone again. It's going to be 6 more. There's 6s in the Dodger Stadium, lots of them. 89 for 1. What's the noise like, Jonty?
I can't hear you, Walker. What you say? There's a big noise out here. Sorry, man.
I don't know if anyone's measuring this noise in decibels. It's like the World Cup final at the Wankhede Stadium. Sachin Tendulkar, their idol, has got a half-century. Oh my word, that's gone a big way. That's gone a big distance. Warne is no slouch. His strike rate is 250. It's gone. Has he gone? Or did he get back? It's going to go upstairs. Mare Erasmus gets the call from Steve Davis. Have a look at the front foot. That's okay. No problem with that. Very rarely bowls no balls. He's down here. Did he get back? Did he get... No. He's short. He's well short. Steve Davis asks to go upstairs. Sangakkara takes the bails off, and Sachin is gone.
That's a very good piece of stumping.
Sachin is gone. He's got a half-century to his name. Stumps Sangakkara ball for Tory for 56. It's 120.